everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I bring you guys this video, which is me recreating this YouTuber here on YouTube, obviously Christina, that her name is Yamilet Doll, and she does makeup tutorials. Anything that has to do with beauty she does here on YouTube, and I'll leave her channel link down below. But I did copy her tutorial, basically me following her makeup tutorial. I want to say right now, I know I don't look like her, but I did try my best to recreate her look. I did use different colors, but mind, I had to do this look as natural as possible because your girl's going to work in a couple hours. But yeah, you guys, I really had fun doing this. I was very frustrated. This is my third time recording this video. The other third times were a fail. But yeah, you guys, this is the look I recreated for her. I really hope you guys enjoy it. If you guys don't mind, go ahead and give me a like. Comment down below, and if you're not yet subscribed, subscribe, and welcome to my channel. My name is Christina, and I hope you guys are here to stay. And without further ado, let's get into the makeup tutorial. I love you guys so much, and thank you for all your support. Mwah. Okay, we're gonna go into our concealer. I am taking the Maybelline Fit Me concealer and setting it with whatever powder you guys like. After that, we're gonna go into our palette of choice, which mine is the Soft Glam by Anastasia Beverly Hills. That lighter color is going to be my transition color. After this color, I'm going to go into a little bit stronger color, a little bit more orange. And we're going to be applying this right on our crease, blending it out, and start deepening that color. I'm going to go ahead and go into this one right here and just deepen it up just a little bit more. And like I said, we're going to be going darker and darker. So after this color, we're going to go into this chocolatey burgundy color. After that, I'm just going to go ahead and blend out my crisped areas up there, blend it with my first color, grab a little bit of concealer, and we're going to cut a little bit of the inner to the center of our eye, like doing a cut crease, but not really. I just want it to be very faded out so I can go ahead and apply the matte color like Yamilet did. If you guys don't follow her and don't know what video I'm copying, I will leave it in the description box down below for you guys. She also did use this BH Cosmetics palette, so that's what I went ahead and did, just to have that as a matte shade like she said on her tutorial. We're going to go ahead and clean up this edge to make it a little bit more sharper so it doesn't look too blended out. We're going to go into my favorite liquid liner, which is this one by NYC, which they don't sell anymore, so you really have to go and look for it online. I get mine in packs of 3s from Amazon. I love this liner. I think this is my 5th one in like 2 years, so that's a lot of liquid liner, well, at least to me. But yeah, if you guys want a tutorial on how to do different wings, different ways of liner, let your girl know. I am really good at liner. Well, at least I think I am. So if that's something you guys want to learn step by step, let your girl know. I like sharing my most hidden secrets. I don't like being an envidiosa, so trust me, I'll let you know. So we're going to go into the super soft, beautiful glam lashes. They're super soft. These are from Walmart, the Salon Perfect brand. Guess they were like $7.99. I don't really remember. On her tutorial, she used more of a glamorous lash, but I was going to work, so I'm not going to look crazy at work. But yeah, I really love these eyelashes. They're really pretty, especially if you don't have any makeup on and you just want to do lashes. This is like an eyelash extension type of look with these eyelashes. They're really pretty. After that, we're going to go into a matte foundation like Yamilet did. This one is the L'Oreal Pro Matte Foundation, and I'm just applying this like you guys see with the damped beauty sponge. And yeah, I applied a little bit of product. It looks like a lot, but it was a little bit, and it was really bomb, you guys, on my skin. I didn't feel super cakey. It felt really good to just apply it like that. I know my other side of the face looks like I already had a coat, but no, that's just my regular skin. Water is life, you guys. You guys need to get some water in your system. But yeah, then I'm just gonna go ahead and apply the rest of my face. To set this foundation, I used the Fit Me setting powder by Maybelline. If you guys haven't tried that out, you guys should try it. Like Laura Mercier, who? Like, I never tried her setting powder. Is it Laura Mercier? I think it is, but it's bomb. After that, we're gonna go ahead and bronze our face. I'll be using my BH Cosmetics Studio contour kit. I think that's what it's called. I really like that contour kit. I did use the lighter shades because she used the lighter shades and I wanted to be a copycat. But this palette is really good, you guys. You guys need to get this, especially if you're freelance. This is a plus. You have all different tones on there, and then if you don't have baking powder for all type of skins, this is a must. So yeah, after that, when I go into my blush, I know I'm probably going a little bit ahead of myself, but it's okay because voiceovers are super fast and hard. See, Luminoso is what I'm applying on the apples of my cheeks, which you guys can see there's a lot of damn apples on those cheeks. I am a chubs. For highlighter, I'm going into this, which is Golden Goddess, I think, by Anastasia. It's a really pretty color, especially if you're like a caramel type skin color. It's really good. But yeah, the fan brush, I hate using fan brushes to highlight. This is a Bestie or Best Friend from Tarte. It's really good. You guys should get your hands on it again. You guys, I have makeup that's really good. Like, I use it over and over, and I just say it's really good because I like using it and I don't like change. So yeah, I hope you guys liked this ratchet voiceover. I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one. If you guys have any ideas, let your girl know because I'm back. Finally, I got a computer that works. But yeah, I'll see y'all in my next video. Love you. Bye.